What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here, heading to a car show as usual. I never mind getting up at 6 a.m. on a Saturday to go to a car show. Getting up during the week to go to work, not so much. But today we are going to have some pretty spicy cars coming up. We're heading down to EuroMpire for the dyno day with Charlotte BMWs. I'm heading down to meet up with Thick Whips, What's Your Forte, as well as Boost right now before we head over there. But today, the reason why I'm excited is we've got some big single turbo cars that we're going to be throwing up on the dyno and seeing how they do. Two of the ones I'm most excited about is my buddy No Clutch Garage, who has the M240 with the B58 engine and a big single, as well as my buddy Boost, or Chris. He has that IS300 with a 2JZ swap with a big single, and it's a monster. So I cannot wait to see what these cars actually put down on the dyno. It's going to be a good video. I'm going to show you guys the cars that are going to be at the dyno, as well as, of course, the ones that are actually dynoing today. It's going to be a blast. Stick around, get comfortable. It's going to be a great video. We're going to go meet up with the guys. So we just got to Thick Whip's place. I got here a little bit early. Now I had like a 40-minute drive, so of course I started to get down here a little bit earlier, but I know that they're going to want to stop for coffee. I personally am not a coffee fan. I actually hate coffee. So I went ahead and already got my drink of choice, which is, of course, Full Throttle or a Red Bull, either one. They're pretty much the same to me. But anyway, so we're just waiting on the others to get here. I just texted Boost. He said he's on his way, and What's Your Forte should be right behind him. Is she clean enough, though? Is she? Can she be clean enough? Lip and side skirts are just so perfect. Who did the blue better, though? The M4 or the C8? Which blue are you taking? Ravishing rides. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Morning, morning.
How goes it?
I was hanging out. Car's looking clean.
Thank you, my man.
Lord have mercy. She thick.
Oh, my meat done. That rear touch is on point.
Yeah.
I think we're just waiting on Dave.
Yeah. Made it.
Don't
It's
film
okay.
the outside. We're still working on it.
Don't film the outside.
Yeah, it's already clean,
We're
too.
about to put down 1K horsepower.
Let's turn that boost up to 60. Dyno Day's starting up. Everybody's kind of getting here. We got What's Your Forte's G80 M3, of course. Looking clean as always. Shopping for E30. All kinds of cool cars. E36, Thick Whips' little jewel. I think this S2000 is going on the dyno today. I believe it's LS swapped. Should be an interesting video. A couple E46s here, a bunch of F30s, and then there's more in the overflow lot as well. I think they're warming up LJ's car now, and then we're going to start here in about 5 minutes. No Clutch Garage is up here first. B58 with a big single. Make sure, if you guys have not already, go follow EuroMpire on Instagram, EuroMpire_official. They host all these meets, all these dyno days. Amazing people, great technicians. Definitely check them out, give them a follow. 630 horsepower was the top number for no clutches, big single B58. Not bad. I mean, that's pretty crazy for a non-built motor getting into sixes. So we'll see how Boost's car does, or Chris. Let's get loaded up on the dyno now, so we'll see how it does. Bro, 830. What do you think?
Hey, I got it on video, 29 pounds.
Are you happy? Are you happy with it?
I'm okay with it.
Your thoughts? Yeah?
We're gonna go bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah. Only 700 torque, which is great.
Jesus.
That's what we want.
Bro, that's wild. Wild.
We'll take it. She's warm.
That's not good.
Something blew out.
Get the top in.
It's okay.
Let's go to the couple right there.
Oh,
Just
God.
It just popped out.
Bro, I thought it was
That much horsepower? You know how fucking strong those
Bro, I
things
thought it
need?
was chunks of
He needs
metal.
to weld one whole fucking piece. Like, that's it.
Blew the pipe clear off. Wow.
That much power is that thing.
That's unbelievable. Blows the coupler off, still makes 835. Wow.
You can see where it came off.
IS300 with the 2JZ did not disappoint. 830 horsepower with a blown coupler. That is unbelievable. So that really does kind of show you what a big turbo can do. Up next, we've got a 335 coming in with a few bolt-ons. We're gonna see how that one does, but overall, like, this day has already been pretty incredible. Good, man.
Yeah, so, you know.
536, that's pretty good. He's running E30, full bolt on. That's pretty good. Those are great numbers. Perfect. We got a C8 that came out today. I don't know how I feel about these. Front end looks like they paid a lot of attention to detail, and then the back end just looks like they were on crunch time with a deadline. I feel like it should curve down a little bit more, maybe contour to the road. I don't know. I feel like with a wide body kit, these are sick though. Let's see what else we got here. Man, this style just never goes out. I love the E46. Ah, this color. Gorgeous. Always have the EuroMpire touch. Beautiful car. Definitely would love one of these one day. was an amazing day, guys. I had an absolute blast. We saw some crazy cars, and those big boost kits are monsters. But anyways, that sums up today's video, guys. We're gonna go ahead as a group and go get some food. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to go down and click that like button, subscribe to the channel. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.